Hi there, I'm Ole from Ole Aids Photography, and today I want to give you 4 presets for Adobe Lightroom, and also I'm going to leave a link to a video I made that shows my basic workflow in Lightroom. So like I said, I'm gonna give away 4 presets for Lightroom. It's a preset I use for starting points. I'm gonna show you how I use them. I'm also gonna show you how to install them. And also, everybody has his way of using Lightroom and his own workflow. I'm gonna show you mine. And if you want to implement that or use something from it, I'm also going to show you that. It's another video. There's a link, below or above, depending on where you're watching this. Hope you find it useful. So first you need to download this preset, and there's a link to the download page. It's either it's in the description, either below or above, depending on where you are watching this. And it's pretty basic. You will fill in your email and you will get instructions, and you will receive a download link in your email inbox. Once you downloaded this zip file, which is this file here, and root landscape presets, you just double click on it and to extract it, and then you got this folder here with 4 presets in it. And one text file, instruction text file, where you can see how to install this, but I'm just going to show you here in this video. It's the simplest way to go. So you open up Lightroom. I'm using Mac, but there are also instructions here for PC. So Lightroom Preferences, and find the Presets tab. Click Show Lightroom Presets folder. It will probably just show you this Lightroom folder. You just open that, and in Develop Presets, just select all 4 of them, drag them into User Presets, and you're done. Lightroom will not see it right away. You will have to restart Lightroom. So I'm gonna quit Lightroom and open it up again. Then I should go to my Develop module here, and in Presets. So in User Preset, I see those 4 presets. So let's start with this one maybe. I'm just going to show you how they look and how to use them. It's it's pretty basic. It's one click. Like for this picture, I'm going to use this preset here, faded blacks, and you can see immediately it just makes all the difference. This area here, the basic Develop settings, I don't touch that a lot in my presets because it depends on your picture. I don't touch the exposure. Maybe it's you're underexposed or overexposed. You will have to fix that. So I do not include that in the preset. So for this example, this is a good base, and I would like to add a little bit of whites in it, just to make it a little more contrasty. And if you want to do stuff like darkening the sky a little bit, or to give the sky a little bit more drama, you can do that. I do not include these things in my presets. So that's one. Another one would be for this picture maybe, Arctic mood. Arctic, it's kind of like, just it gives you this Instagram feeling. Not a lot I have to do here. Maybe I will also do a little, increase the whites a little bit, and maybe black also. There we go. maybe it's just be careful it's not blown out. I have snow, so I might want to drag the highlights a little bit down to be careful with that. And here's one, Twilight Pop. You can see it also includes lens correction and stuff like that if you're using wide angle lens for the shot. If you're not using wide angle lens, it doesn't hurt to have this, but you can always go and take it off. It's here. And for them, this is basically just ready. I don't think I need to do anything here. Maybe increase contrast a little bit and something like that. And one more, Instamood, very creative names for this, because I call it Instamood because this filter looks very Instagrammy, it's a look you can see all over Instagram. So I hope you enjoy these presets. You can both use them, you can also, to deconstruct them, see how they are made, so you can, learn from it or just see how it's made. There's no hidden secrets in there. And like I said, also I have a little video about my workflow. It's included in the description. So hope you like it. Have a great day. Thank you.